the easiest way to make $59,060 on YouTube Shorts. This YouTube channel discusses various tutorials about Canva and helps you earn money with Canva, so make sure you give thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to this channel because thumbs up, comments, and subscribe are free, guys. Hi there, and welcome to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing and how you can use YouTube Shorts to promote your products, and making promotional videos is also easy as you only need Canva to create them. First, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales that you generate. It's a great way to monetize your YouTube channel and start earning passive income. Without having to rely on monetization, this is a fantastic method to make money from your YouTube Shorts. Here's how it works. When you sign up for an affiliate program with a company, they will give you a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote their products. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission on the sale. To start using affiliate marketing on YouTube, you will need to find a product or service that you can promote. There are many different companies and products that offer affiliate programs, so you should have no trouble finding something that aligns with your channel's content. In today's video tutorial, we'll use the niche of pets as examples to show you how they work and why they can be a great choice for affiliate marketing. One of the key things to consider when choosing an affiliate niche is finding a topic that is both popular and has a lot of products that you can promote. Pets niches can be a great choice for this because there are so many different products related to pets, from pet food and toys to clothing and accessories. For example, if you're interested in promoting products for cats, you could create a YouTube channel about cat care and feature products like cat food, litter, and toys in your videos. You could also make videos about different cat breeds, showcasing products like cat collars and beds that are specific to those breeds. As with other niches, you also have to look for niches that are popular and have a lot of products for you to sell, such as technology, sports, and so on. Once you've chosen a niche, the next step is to find affiliate websites that offer products related to your niche. There are many different affiliate networks and programs that you can join, each with their own selection of products and commissions. Some popular affiliate networks for animal products include Amazon Associates, Chewy.com, and Petco. These websites offer a wide range of products for different animals, including cats, dogs, birds, and more. You can join their affiliate programs and start promoting their products on your YouTube channel. If you have a different niche, then ClickBank can be an easy solution for finding affiliate products, and you can just search on Google about various kinds of affiliate websites that match the niche you are working on. Once you've signed up for an affiliate program, the next step is to create a YouTube short. YouTube Shorts are short, snappy videos that are perfect for sharing on social media and other platforms. To promote affiliate products on YouTube Shorts, you can create videos that feature the products and explain why they are a good choice for your audience. You can also show the products in action, demonstrating how they work and the benefits they offer. If you are confused about material related to the niche you choose, then the solution is Google, and just type in the unique facts from the niche you want to work on. For example, if you are working on a sports niche, then you can just type on Google with keywords unique facts about Ronaldo or Messi, and you only need to copy the information on the web and insert it into your short video. To create a YouTube short, you'll need a tool like Canva. To create your YouTube short with Canva, simply sign up for a free account and choose from their wide selection of templates and design elements. You can add text, images, and videos to create a short that showcases your affiliate products and highlights the benefits of making a purchase. Before we get started, it's important to choose a theme for your video. For this tutorial, we're going to be using the theme of pets. Once you're logged into Canva, you can choose a template to start with. Canva has a wide variety of templates to choose from, so take some time to browse through the options and find one that suits your needs. For this tutorial, we're going to use the YouTube Shorts template. Next, it's time to add your own images to the template. You can either upload your own images or choose from Canva's library of over 1 million stock photos. For this tutorial, we're going to upload our own images of pets. Simply click on the Uploads tab and select the images you want to use. You can also use various images or videos from Canva, and my advice is that each video scene is not too long or too short, because if it's too long people will get bored, and if it's too short then people won't understand the information you convey. So for video shorts, normally it is 2 to 4 seconds for each video scene that you will make. So for example, you make a video with 10 pieces of information about your niche, the results will be between 20 seconds and 40 seconds. The text that you have to add comes from the material that you searched for from Google earlier. I will give an example of the article that I am looking for, facts about cats, and there are lots of facts about cats. Then insert this fact into your video into several video scenes with various facts about cats. In the middle or end of the video, be sure to include a link to the affiliate website where viewers can buy the product. This will make it easier for them to make purchases, and you'll earn a commission on every sale. After you have added your text and images to your video, you can start animating them. To do this, click on the object you want to animate and select the Animate tab on the right-hand side of the screen. This will bring up a list of pre-made animations that you can apply to your object. Once you have animated your text and images, you can add some music to your video by clicking on the Music tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This will bring up a selection of pre-made music tracks that you can use in your video. You can also upload your own music by clicking on the Uploads tab and selecting the music you want to use. My suggestion is that you use songs that are free of copyright, because we don't want the video that you worked hard to make to be deleted on YouTube because you are using a copyrighted one. My advice is that you use songs from the audio library from YouTube, or you use songs that are copyright free, or you can use songs that you made yourself. After you have added music to your video, you can preview it by clicking on the play button in the top right corner of the screen. If you're happy with your video, you can download it by clicking on the download button in the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to save your video to your computer and share it with others. And that's it. With Canva, it's easy to create a promotional video for your affiliate links or any other product you want to promote. Give it a try and see what you can come up with. Either way, your design will help to promote your affiliate link and catch the attention of potential customers. If you want to increase potential customer leads, then you can upload the video that you downloaded to your various social media and add the affiliate link that you created earlier to each of your social media. In conclusion, earning easy money with affiliate marketing, YouTube Shorts, and Canva is a simple and effective way to monetize your YouTube channel and start generating passive income. So why not give it a try and start making money today? If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.